Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EGY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today. Not only today, really the past several days as the uptrend continues to be built. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $2.30. But don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $2.30, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout point, and that sits down there around $2.15. So $2.30, $2.15, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 230 would be great, but from the grand scope of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls are 100% in full control. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at it, that's pretty straightforward. After today's price movement on 2 different occasions, price tried to get up through 265, but couldn't quite do that. So that is where the public enemy number 1 going forward. All in all, though, I don't want to say resistance levels don't matter because they do, but still, at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing, and what has that been? Well, just building higher bases. As long as the price keeps building higher bases, then as you longer-term holders know that these stair steps will take care of the rest of things, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building those higher stair steps and just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.